This is 164 Babbling Brook Drive in McDonough, Georgia. This is an exclusive neighborhood in McDonough, Georgia, off Airline Road, surrounded by a bunch of beautiful homes. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, 2-car automatic garage, recently renovated like new. Big front porch area, brick front home, lots of extras. Coming in the front door, it is a 2-story foyer with a beautiful chandelier above, with a loft area above. On the upstairs level, this home is huge. Lots to tell you about. I'm going to just take you straight upstairs. There is a den area to the left and a formal dining room right at the front door. But I want to show you the upstairs first, then we'll finish up downstairs. There's 4 bedrooms upstairs. We're going to go to the end of the hallway first and work our way back. Bedroom number 1, and all these bedrooms are huge, and they've all got their own bathroom. This room's got a big walk-in closet. This is not the master, although it seems like it could be. This bathroom is in between bedroom 1 and 2. It's a full bathroom. And here's bedroom number 2. It's also really large with a big closet. So this is the end of the hallway on the right and the left. Bedrooms 1 and 2, with a bathroom right in the middle. Back down the hallway is the laundry room. It's a big laundry room. Then there's bedroom number 3. New carpet, new paint all the way through this home. Across the hall from bedroom 3 is a large bathroom in the hallway. On down, you can see an entrance to a bedroom on the left of the stairs and on the right. This is the master suite. There's an entrance here, and it walks around, and the master continues on this side. So this is a huge room. It's like 2 bedrooms in one. There's a thermostat in here as well. Double doors lead into the master bath. The master bath has got double vanity. Huge walk-in closet. Private toilet room. An extra wide separate shower. And a large garden tub. This is the master suite and the 4th and possibly 5th bedroom upstairs. Here's the view of that foyer from up top. A lot of natural light comes in that window. Alright, that's 4 bedrooms upstairs, 3 bathrooms upstairs. Now we're back towards the front of the house with the front door, the formal dining room. The hardwood floors run all through the main areas of the foyer and the formal dining room. And there's a den to the left. And when you walk down to the end of the foyer, you see the fireplace in the great room. It's got a gas starter logs. And there's the stairs that go upstairs. The kitchen and breakfast area are located right next to the family room. There's a big breakfast bar that goes around the sink. The appliances are already installed. We've got a microwave, a range, dishwasher, refrigerator. Got a nice tile backsplash in the kitchen. This home's ready to move in. If you're looking for a big home with lots of room, it's a big pantry. There's a little hallway that leads to the garage area. Two-car automatic garage. Plenty of storage room. And there's also a living quarters down here. It's like a split bedroom plan. It's a full bathroom. And a bedroom on the bottom level. This bedroom. New carpet, new paint all the way through the home. And it is immaculate. If you're looking to live in the McDonough area and you've got a big family or just want a big home, please contact us at rentfrombravo.com and we'll be glad to get you some more information on how you and your family can move right in. Thank you for watching.